If you're thinking of getting a divorce under the divorce law of England and Wales, there are a number of things to consider that can have an effect on your divorce process. To apply for a divorce, you must fit the following criteria. You must have been married for at least a year. Your marriage must have broken down irretrievably. Your marriage must be legally recognised in the UK. If the court is satisfied you meet these requirements, you can apply for a divorce. There are also 5 accepted reasons to get divorced. These are known as grounds for divorce. They are: adultery. If your spouse has had sexual intercourse with someone of the opposite sex and you feel you can no longer live with them. Unreasonable behaviour. If your spouse is exhibiting or has exhibited behaviour that means you feel you can't live with them anymore. Desertion. If your spouse has left you. If you've lived apart for 2 years or more. If you've lived separately for 2 years and you both agree to a divorce, this classes as acceptable grounds. If you've lived apart for more than 5 years, you can get divorced. This does not require the agreement of both parties. The process. The first thing to do is to find a divorce lawyer. Make sure to research those in your area before deciding who should represent you. You then need to file a divorce petition or respond to the petition your spouse has filed. When you file a petition, you need to state your reason for wanting to end the marriage. If you are the respondent, you must fill in the Acknowledgement of Service form within 8 days, stating whether you agree or disagree with the divorce. If you and your spouse have children together, it's crucial that you find a resolution regarding custody arrangements going forward. For these discussions, if you feel you might have trouble coming to an agreement, consider mediation to help you achieve an amicable resolution. You then need to apply for a decree nisi. This is a document that shows the court is satisfied with your divorce petition and acknowledgement of service form, entitling you to a divorce. You may need to go to court for a hearing regarding costs, or if you and your partner disagree on proceedings. 6 weeks after the decree nisi is obtained, you can then apply for a decree absolute. This document legally ends your marriage. Upon receiving this, you are no longer married.